we can start creating nodes. And nodes require a feature script called Node Creator. And we're going to actually add that. You're going to have probably add custom features over here. I've got one already picked, so if you don't see it, just search for custom features, and you're going to click that. So a node creator you can find by searching other documents. Make sure you're searching other documents here, and just type node creator. And there it is. We're at version 20. Again, any variables or feature scripts such as the node creator might have version changes. You'll see a little blue circle on them, and you'll want to update them when that happens. So we're going to click on that, and we've got feature script and we've got the node creator, so click right there, and node creator was added to your toolbar. Now where did it go? It's hiding under here. That's node creator. So we've got everything we need to start. So we're going to click on this, click on Node Creator. Now Node Creator works pretty simply. I want to create a node right here. I can create it. Notice it made a circle. Now it is using your variables. So these variables here, node diameter 15 millimeters. Okay, and now it is gone. We're back to our original dimensions of 15 millimeters. So we're going to continue on making our configuring our node creator feature. So we're going to continue by opening this up, and we're going to align the straw tabs. That's how we'll do that there, and we have other options there, but for this node we just need that. Once we finish a node, you can do multiple nodes inside of one node creator feature instance. So we're going to go and move up to the top here, click here, and notice we have another node. We can add our straw tabs. Here's a straw tab, here's another one, here's another one. At some point we might want to put cross bracing up here. We're going to start out without that, but that's what this is for. We can click here and it'll create a notch. If we want to get rid of the straw, we'll have a hole for cross bracing. We're going to leave that in for now and continue on. So that's everything for that node, and here we go. We are going to do this one here. I'm going to add the straw tabs. Here we go, and I will close that. Once the nodes section of the node creator feature is blue and a single box, we can continue on to the next one. We do need to open it up each time and align the tabs. Okay, we're going to stop there in this node creator. There's a reason for that. We are going to mirror to this other side. We don't want to mirror this this node, so we're actually going to create a different another node creator for that one in a minute. So let's first mirror these. So we have everything we need to mirror, so we can find the mirror. Here's the mirror command, and we're going to mirror features. So each of these node creator instances has special points on them, and we need those to mirror. If we only mirror the part, they won't. So we need to find the features to mirror. So we can actually just click in the features list, and we can choose node creator 1. And here we go. We can then choose our mirror plane, which will be the edge of the front plane. You got to go below to reach it. And there we go. And click there. And now we have our mirrored. Let's create one more node here for the if you lose your node creator, by the way, you can just search for it. It'll be in your search, but here it is right now. So add this one here, nothing to do fancy, just add our straw tabs and finish it out. So if we were to mirror that one, I think it might duplicate it. I don't know, you can try it, but just to be safe. Now we have our nodes. We're ready to move on and create straws. So I'm going to stop for a second and we will do that.